Hello everyone, my name is Anmol Malviya and currently I am working as a data analyst in Addend Analytics. Today in this video, we are going to talk about Copilot in Microsoft Power BI, and will be referring to the Microsoft official documentation so that we can see what it all contains. So let's directly move to the documentation. So here you can find the documentation for Copilot for Power BI. We can also share the link in the description to check out. So what it contains, basically if we talk about Microsoft Copilot, then Copilot for Microsoft Fabric is now generally available in Power BI, and it will help you to use the transformational power of generative AI to get the most from your data. And you can enable the Copilot from Fabric portal, and for that there is a requirement: you should have the premium license. After it only you will be eligible to use the Copilot. So as you can see here, your administrator need to enable the Copilot in Microsoft Fabric, and then Copilot in Microsoft Fabric is not supported on trial SKUs, only paid SKUs, as you can see F64 or higher. And if you are familiar with Fabric, then F64 is equivalent to P1, which is premium license. So this is the basic requirement to use the Copilot. Then let's move toward the capabilities of Copilot. So here you can see Copilot is for available for business users. So let's say there is a report created for your data and you want to generate insight. So you can generate a summary of your report in the Copilot pane by simply entering the prompt in natural language. Then there are Copilot for report authors. So what are the features available for them? You can summarize the underlying semantic model, then it will suggest the content for a report, then it will also create a report page, summary visuals, and you can ask questions related to your data in the models, and you can also use Copilot to write DAX queries. So we will also get into detail about this. So moving further, we will see how you can generate a summary of your report in the Copilot pane. So you can simply enter a prompt like provide a summary of sales on this page. So you will be having a Power BI report, and in the right side there is a Copilot pane in which you can enter this prompt, and as soon as you enter the prompt it will generate you the result by summarizing the data, the visuals, and your report. Then we can summarize the underlying semantic model. So again you can enter the prompt related to it, then it will also suggest content for a report. What are the visuals you want to include, what are the cards or what are the KPIs can be included in the report. Then we can also create a report page using the Copilot itself. We can enter the prompt as create a page to evaluate the performance. You can specify what you want to see on the report. Then it can also create a summary visuals on the report itself. So you can see on the screen that by simply entering the prompt we can add a summary visual which will summarize the overall result of the report. Then we can also ask questions to Copilot regarding our data set, that how much sales occurred in a particular region. You can enter the name of the region, or you can specify the metrics by top categories, or you can show me how this measures has changed over time. So it will also show you the historical data. Then you can also add synonyms to enhance question and answer experience using Copilot. This is also a feature. Then you can add description for semantic models measures. So whenever we create measures, sometime it goes too long. So for the better understanding in future, we can add the comments or description. We can write DAX queries using Copilot. You can also use Copilot preview features by enabling it. There are some limitations of the Copilot too, because the AI may generate content which can make mistakes. So we have also we need to cross check the results, and there are some other limitations too which you can see in the blog itself. And if you want to use Copilot, then you can move to the Power BI desktop. So whenever you come to this, you will get the Copilot in this pane, and you can click on in this and a new pane will open. Then you will have to select a workspace which will be of the Power BI premium capacity, and after it you can start using Copilot. So this is all about Copilot in Microsoft Power BI. Thank you.